In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a Calendly booking option by adding an embed element to your website. This process is simple, allows for easy scheduling, and can make your website incredibly user-friendly by offering visitors the convenience of booking appointments directly on your site. First, let's begin by navigating to the web page where you'd like to add the booking functionality. In your chosen web builder or content management system, look for an option that will allow you to insert an embed element. This could vary slightly depending on the platform you're using, but it's typically found in the Widgets or Elements menu. The embed element essentially acts as a container that will display an external feature, in this case, your Calendly booking page. Once you've added the embed element to your page, the next step involves obtaining the correct link or embed code from Calendly. Open Calendly in a new tab and sign into your account. After you've logged in, find the event type or meeting you'd like to share on your web page. Hover over it, and you'll see options to either copy a shareable link or an embed code. The link is easy and will directly take your visitors to Calendly, while the embed code creates a seamless in-page experience. For this integration, we aim for a more integrated user experience. So go ahead and copy the embed code. Now, return to your web builder and locate the embed element you've added. Paste the Calendly embed code into the designated space for code input. This action will load a preview of your Calendly booking interface within the web page. It's always a good idea to double check and ensure the scheduling details, like events and time slots, appear accurately, as these allow potential clients or contacts to secure any available bookings directly on your site. After embedding, you might notice that the size of the integration doesn't quite match your page's layout or design. You can adjust the dimensions by resizing the embed element manually. By dragging the corners or edges, tailor it so the booking interface fits perfectly into your website design. Make sure the form is clearly visible and functionally positioned, making the booking process easy and intuitive for your visitors. Finally, the last but crucial step is to publish or update your website with these changes. Hit the publish button to save and make all adjustments live on your site. Once that's completed, visit your newly updated page and test the integration yourself to ensure everything is working as intended and the booking experience is smooth for your visitors. And there you have it, a fully integrated Calendly booking option embedded right into your website. This addition can enhance your website's functionality and user experience significantly. Thanks for joining and happy scheduling!